next big myth is, that ties into some of the other myths we've been covering. I don't want my unit running all the time because of
using up electricity.
Let's explain to them why that is a myth. If my unit comes on, it calls for cooling, 36,000 BTUs, it blasts cold air. When that unit first comes on, it's called surge amps, right?
Yep.
What does it do to your electric meter?
Well, you get spikes. If it's constantly cutting on, cutting off, cutting on, cutting off.
Now, you won't get that with the variable,
You don't
right?
get that at all with a variable. It comes on at a lower speed, pulling low amperage, so you don't get that initial surge, and the unit's not constantly coming on, cutting off.
We want that unit to come on. This is my graph here, okay? It's coming on, coming on. It's 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, 9, 10, 12. Where's it going, George?
It's going up. It's the heat.
And what happens then, George?
It levels off.
And what's the hottest part of the day, George?
It's in the late part of the afternoon.
5, 6 o'clock, right?
The infiltration of the heat in the house and everything peaks at that time.
The old myth was, I want my unit to come on and make this thing shut off. It's not, right?
That's not.
The load of the outside is raising the graph to the temperature. Let's say it's 98 degrees outside. The load's going on, my unit's steady running.
Yep.
But it's running at a lower speed, right?
And then lower speed.
So it's dehumidifying and it's cooling my house all the same time, and it's not spiking.
It's not
My
spiking.
meter's not spiking up and down. The load at 5 to 8 o'clock is huge, right?
Yep.
All day my unit's been running, your unit's been running at 20%, 25, 30. It may ramp up to 40%. You can actually see it on the thermostat,
You see it on
can't
the
you?
thermostat.
That's beautiful, baby. Picture's 1,000 words, guys.